I am making a difference.
I'm making a difference.
I am making a difference.
I am making a difference.
Nous faisons bouger les choses.
We're making a difference.
I'm making a difference.
We're making a difference.
I'm making a difference. My name is Mary Scott, and I'm 73 years old, and I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm a volunteer for a number of organizations, including the National Council of Women of Canada, Provincial Council of Women of Manitoba, and the Local Council of Women of Winnipeg. I'm also active with the Canadian Federation of University Women, which has a contact and is a member of the International Federation of University Women, and I've been active with that organization as well. But right now, my thrust and work has been with the UN Women. UN Women is an agency of the United Nations. The Undersecretary General, Michelle Bachelet, is the Executive Director, and this organization has now got the mandate to empower, to work for women, to support women's voices at the United Nations and globally. The Winnipeg Chapter for UN Women, formerly the Winnipeg Chapter for UNIFEM, has really played an active role in coordinating a number of activities, education, public education, not just internationally, but also nationally and locally. We have fundraising events, usually annually, once a year, a local to global event, and we highlight particular issues such as violence against women, HIV/AIDS, the economic empowerment of women, and we work then to enhance the public awareness of these issues locally as well as internationally, raise funds to support projects working in that area. We just recently had a program looking at the 16 days of violence against women, where we looked at the impact of militarization on women. We worked with Global College, we worked with a number of community groups here in Winnipeg, and we see UN Women as an umbrella organization, an organization that includes all those organizations that are actively promoting gender equality for women. The gender empowerment and work to support women is important because we know that the benefits for the development of women is so enormous. It is such a major impact. The impact of supporting girls and women's education, for example, has tremendous economic benefits. 90% of the revenues that women earn through development dollars goes towards their families. So we know that the spin-off from post-secondary education is a huge advantage. Secondary education raises the maternal health of those mothers and the success of those children. So supporting women, women's health, women's education, women's economic independence and empowerment is huge advantages for the world. And now too we see that women's voices, how important it is for women in the peace-building process. There's a new organization, the Women for South Sudan, and we know that locally there are organizations that are working very actively to support women globally, and we work with them and support those initiatives through UN Women. My hope and goal is that we here who have got advantages are able to support their voices, to support accessing tools and skills for them, the resources to be able to play an active role in the decision-making that affects our world today. We know that many of the global issues that are affecting the world, whether it's peace, whether it's health care, whether it's the environment, sustainability of our planet, that it is all of us working together that is going to have to make those changes in our lives and for the future. So we need all of us to be part of that. And I know from my experiences that it's women and women's voices and girls who are going to be women that we need to really invest our time and energy and funds to ensure that they can play that role. My name is Mary Scott, and we're making a difference.